I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats.
Hey, thanks Rutledge, and thanks to all of you for joining us right here in Long Beach and around the world via live stream. As Rutledge said, we're here this evening to introduce a new member of our Toyota GAZOO Racing family and to celebrate car culture at the Formula D season opener. You see, we believe drift racing truly captures the spirit of GR sports car, pushing the limits of performance and handling. At Toyota, GR isn't just a badge, it's a mindset, an ethos that's all about achieving the highest levels of performance. It's a way of thinking that goes back over 6 decades when Toyota first entered motorsports. Even then, we viewed racing as a laboratory for advancing the quality, technology, and performance of our production vehicles. And Toyota GAZOO Racing applies that very same approach to vehicle development today. The GR chapter of our sports car saga began in 2007 when our global CEO, Akio Toyoda, shared a vision that went beyond the track. He wanted to build on Toyota's motorsports legacy and ignite a passion for driving across our company. So he started GR as a rogue operation. In fact, they didn't even use Toyota in the team name. And Akio himself raced under the alias of Morizo. He assembled a group of Toyota employees, race team members, professional and amateur drivers, and they went to work developing race cars. They tested them at tracks like the world-famous Nürburgring in Germany and Fuji Speedway in Japan. And as the team raced, they pushed cars to the limits and overcame setbacks, making engineering breakthroughs that led to better performance. In the early days of GR, their work influenced a car that now enjoys legendary status, the Lexus LFA. And their approach was also used to develop the first generation Scion FRS. Now their activities became official in 2015 when the Toyota GAZOO Racing Company was formed. And since then, the GR team's been hard at work, applying their learning to production vehicles. 3 years ago, we introduced the first GR badge sports car here in North America, the GR Super. It was the return of a legend with raw power and eye-catching style. And just last year, we brought out the second generation 86, which also earned its GR badge. With dynamic handling, complemented by a boost in power and torque, it's generating a lot of buzz in the marketplace. You see, we believe this recipe of leveraging 6 decades of motorsports, including success in the World Endurance and World Rally Championships, combined with Morizo's passionate involvement throughout, has a lot of merit. Which is why we're excited to be expanding the GR lineup once again this evening with the world premiere of the latest GR sports car, one that drives with untamed energy and can only come from Toyota GAZOO Racing. Check this out.
Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist and we turning down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
As you can see, GR Corolla will launch with 2 grades. An over-the-top, everything but the kitchen sink core model, and this extra spicy limited circuit edition that will only be available for the 23 model year. The circuit edition features a forged carbon fiber roof, rear spoiler, and vented aluminum hood. The GR4 system with dual LSD is standard, along with opposed front and rear mounted red painted GR logo brake calipers that you can see right there. By the way, those calipers and the dual LSD are also available as part of a performance package on the core model. You'll be able to get that bad boy in white, supersonic red, and a circuit edition exclusive heavy metal. Inside, you'll find suede sport seats with red accents and a special Morizo signed shift knob. Both grades of the GR Corolla are built at the GR factory at Toyota's Motomachi plant. And our team members at this plant are among the most experienced and highly skilled craftsmen in the industry, with a reputation for quality and precision that's second to none. When you combine precision manufacturing with rigorous track testing, we end up with two GR Corollas made for exceptional handling, adrenaline pumping power, and everyday functionality with the Toyota quality that you've come to expect. Now, MSRP for both grades will be announced soon, I promise, with the core grade going on sale later this year and the circuit edition on sale in 2023. So enthusiasts and drivers everywhere can heat up the streets with this hot new hatch. Now, everything we talk about at GR leads us back to the track, and that even applies to our customers. And here in the United States, we want all of our customers to experience the thrill of performance driving. So all GR models, including the GR Corolla, come with a complimentary 1-year membership to the National Autosport Association, giving our owners access to a high-performance driving event where they can sharpen their skills with experts on the track. And in fact, 75% of GR owners that join these events so far are hitting the track for the very first time, introducing them to a whole new world of performance driving, compliments of GAZOO Racing. And since we're talking track, imagine if we brought our GR products to a single make race series. Well, that's going to be a reality really soon, and I'm excited to share that we'll be launching the GR Cup featuring GR 86 next year. So stay tuned for more details this summer. With the arrival of the GR Corolla, plus the powered up 86 and the iconic Supra, it's safe to say that Toyota GAZOO Racing has officially arrived to the shores of North America. And now, we have a bold new chapter in Toyota sports car cycle. Developed by enthusiasts, for enthusiasts, and born on the track, not the boardroom. Thank you for joining us here and online, and at this point, I'm going to go ahead and turn it back over to my good friend, Rutledge. Rut, take it away.
Chase, got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.